Good morning students. Students, in the previous class I have explained you many questions related to perimeter. So what is perimeter? Yes, it is the length of the boundary. Okay. So we have done 14 questions of this exercise. I hope you understood all the questions. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay. Now let's move to question number 15. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. So Sweetie runs along this square. Suppose this is square park. Okay. This one is square park, and suppose this is Sweetie who runs along its boundary. Okay. Along this square park. Now, what is the side given to us, which is 75 meter. Okay. So, 75 meter is its side. So, all the sides will be 75 meter because what is a square? All sides are equal. So, all sides of the square will be equal. Understood this thing? So, in this way, she run across this square park. Okay. Now, Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. So, she is Bulbul and she runs across this rectangular park. Whose dimensions are given to us. 60 meter is its length. 45 meter is its breadth given to us. And she is Bulbul and she runs across it. Okay. In this way, she is Bulbul who runs across this rectangular park. Whose dimensions are given? Dimensions means length and breadth. So length is 60 meter, breadth is 45 meter. Now, who covers less distance? So she also runs in this square park and Bulbul runs in this rectangular park. Okay. So, if we want to find out that who covers less distance or who covers more distance, so for this, if we find out the length of the boundary of this square park and this rectangular park, so we come to know about who covers more distance or less distance. Okay. So, first of all, we will find out the perimeter of the square park. Perimeter, side of square park is equals to 75 meter. Now perimeter of square park will be length of the boundary. So if you will sum this 75 4 times, so you can also write in this form 4 times 75. Okay. If you want to write the 4 times 75 like this, 75 plus 75 plus 75 plus 75. So this will also correct, but I will apply directly the formula as 4 times 75. Okay. So 4 times 75 will be the perimeter of the square park. So 4 5s are 20, 2 left, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2 30. So 300 meter will be the perimeter of a square park. Okay. Now perimeter of rectangular park is length of rectangular park is given as park equals to 60 meter. Breadth is given to us as 45 meter. Okay. So perimeter will be, what is the perimeter formula for rectangle? Tell me. Yes, it will be 2 length plus breadth. 2 length plus breadth. And I have already explained you this thing, that how this formula comes. How this formula comes, that there are 2 lengths which are 60 meter and 2 breadths which are 40 meter. Opposite sides are equal in perimeter, in rectangle. So 2 times length and 2 times breadth will give you 2 length plus breadth. So in this way this formula comes. Okay. So put the value of length and width. What is length here? 60. What is breadth here? 45. So 2, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. 2 5s are 10. 1 left. This 2 zeros are 0. Then 1. 2 ones are 2 meter. So you can see that 210 is less than 300. So we can answer that Sweetie covers more distance, means Bulbul covers less. Bulbul covers less distance. Understood? So in this way, after finding out the perimeter, you comes to know about what is the length of the boundary. After that, you can apply the formula. After putting the value, you get the answer. Understood? Now let's move to question number 16. In question number 16, we have to find out the perimeter. So again, you need to find out the length of the boundary. So length of the boundary means whatever be the measurement of the side is given to you, you just have to add all the sides and you can get the perimeter. So here square is there, 25, 25, 25 and 25. So 4a, perimeter of this square will be 4a. A means side of this square. This one is question number 16, A part. So if you will put 25, so 25 4s are 100 meter. So in this way, if you will apply the formula for square, you got the perimeter of the square. If you will apply the formula for rectangle, because its length and breadth are different. Here length is 30 and breadth is 20. So if you will apply the formula for rectangle as 2 length plus breadth, you will get the perimeter of this rectangle. Understood? So in this way, you can solve rest of the parts of this question number 16. After adding all the measurements which are given to you, you can find. Okay. Now let's move to question number 17. Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs, each with half meter of side. He lays them in form of square. Okay. So Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs. Okay. So here in this form, it is given 9 slabs and paving slabs he bought. Okay. And each are of square in shape. Okay. So we will make this. In this way they are made. 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Or if I'm again making this, see here, there are 9 slabs, paving slabs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the first part of this question. So they are asking that what is the perimeter of this arrangement? What is the perimeter of this arrangement? Okay. This was question number 17. Okay. So what will be the perimeter? And they are also saying that Avneet buys 9 paving slabs, each with half meter of side. Each with half meter of side means this will be half, this will be half, this will be half. Each of the sides are half meter. If I am talking about this side, this will be half, this will be half, this will be half, this. All sides are of half meter. Understood this thing? This is left. All the sides are means this in this way. Okay, so all the sides are of half meter. So we need to find out the perimeter of this figure. Okay. So how you will find out the perimeter? What is perimeter, students? It is just the length of the boundary. It is the length of the boundary. So add all these measurement along this boundary, so we will get the perimeter. Okay, so see how we will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 sides along the boundaries, and each side measures half meter. Each side measures half meter, and there are total 12 sides along the boundary. So perimeter will be perimeter of this arrangement will be 12 multiply side of each square paving slabs. Okay, so 12 multiply, what is the measurement of this side, which is half meter. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 6 meter will be the perimeter of this complete shape. Understood this thing? What I have done, each side is of half meter. Each side is of half meter. So there are total 12 sides across this boundary. So we got this answer as 6 meter. Understood? Now let's move to its B part. B part is given as this cross is given. Sherry does not like his arrangement. She get him to lay out a cross. What is the perimeter of this arrangement? So we need to find out for second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 9 squares. Okay. So first of all, we need to draw the figure. In this way it is given. Okay, and each side is of half meter is already given. So what will be the perimeter? So here again length of the boundary. So count all the length. I am starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. There are 20 sides across the boundary, and each side measures of half meter. So 20 multiplied by half. So 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. So in this way we got the answer as 20 meter. We just only have to count the sides, and after that each side measures half meter. So we will multiply with this 20. We got the perimeter. Understood this thing? Now let's move to its C part, which has greater perimeter. In that question, what was the perimeter? There were total how many? 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. 6 meter was the perimeter for that figure, that shape, and here 20 meter. So they are asking that in the third part, which has greater perimeter. So this second figure, second shape has the greater perimeter. Now D. Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find a way of doing this? So this will be a homework. Okay, this will be a homework. The paving slab must meet along complete edges. They cannot be broken. Okay, they should be like this. If I am starting from here, so I have to be end with here. It should not be broken. So that part will be a homework. Do by yourself. Okay. So in this way we have finished this exercise. I hope you understood all the things. complete your notebook. Okay, I will check. Thank you.